Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on the speaker Harman Kardon Aura Studio 4. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a physical button on your speaker. So you should use a volume up button who look like a plus to increase volume and volume down button like a minus to lower the volume. And the second option is to use a physical button on your phone. So button at the top to increase volume and button at the bottom to lower the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!